everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool geometric pattern using square knots. Let's get started. We will start by making 2 square knots in a row using the 4 strings right in the middle. Next, we're going to make 2 alternating square knots in a row using 2 new strings and 2 ropes from our previous square knots. Next, we will repeat this step, but on the right side. So we'll use the 2 ropes from this square knot and 2 new ropes. Next, we're going to move out and do our outer side. So we're going to use the 2 new ropes here and the 2 previous ropes from our last square knots to make 2 more square knots in a row. Repeat the same step, this time on the right. Now we are going to make a square knot right in the middle here, and this time we're going to leave a little bit of a gap between our square knots so that this new one is right in the middle of our 2 on the outer edge. So just leave a little bit of gap up top so that our new square knot can be right in the middle of these. I'm going to use the 4 ropes right in the middle to do this. Now we are going to make 2 more square knots in a row right here. So we're going to use 2 ropes from this square knot and 2 ropes from this one. And when you push it up top, it should be right next to this square knot with a little bit of a gap next to that one. Repeat the same step, this time on the right side. We will complete this pattern by doing 1 more set of square knots right in the middle. So a set of 2 using the 4 ropes directly in the middle. there you go. This is what our cool square knot geometric pattern should look like. It's a really fun shape with some cool cutouts in the middle. I hope you guys really liked this video and found it helpful and inspiring, and you can add this pattern to any kind of wall hanging or other designs that you would like. Thank you so much for watching.